Today we're going to be looking at LomoChrome Purple from Lomography. If you're new to the channel, my name is Andy Adamas. I'm a full-time filmmaker and I love film photography. Today we're going to talk about LomoChrome Purple and why it's one of my new favorite stocks to shoot. Every time I've shot this, I have found myself really happy with the result, especially if you take your time with this and really think about what you're shooting. I'll show you some images right here from my first roll. So as you can see, like the one with the bridge was awesome. There was a fountain that came out really cool. What was the other one that I really liked? Go look on Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, you should follow me on Instagram, and I'll show my handle right here. Which one was it? Oh yes! The one with the wheat and the water. Oh man, that's so cool. So the way that the formula works for this film is blue becomes green, green becomes purple, and yellows become pink. So blues become green, greens become purple, and yellows become pink, and red remains neutral, which actually I wasn't thinking about that when I shot this, and there was a shot of some berries that were red, and I was like, oh, it's gonna be so cool. This is gonna flip to a different color, and it didn't at all, and I was like, oh. Actually, let's back up a little bit. I've been trying to be consistent on this channel, even though this is going to be episode 4. My whole role as a filmmaker obviously takes precedent over what happens here. So I had been working on a documentary for, I guess, technically over 3 years now, and it's really ramped up over the last 9 months. And the reason that I kind of just disappeared for a few weeks there, I kept saying I was gonna put out a video every week, was because the person that I was doing the video on, the documentary on, he actually passed away and became a really good friend of mine. So this video is special in a different way because he was an artist, and I know that he loves all forms of art. He loved all forms of art, so photography being one of them as well. Just a little quick explanation of where I've been and why things slowed down, and that's it. So enough of me, on with the show. All right guys, we're gonna go and shoot some LomoChrome Purple today, and it's pretty suiting because I had a friend that actually just passed away, and he was a muralist that his paintings had a lot of surrealism in it. So I think this is just suiting for him. I know he wouldn't want me sulking on the couch and not being an artist, so this one's for you, Tim. think that's it. I think that's it. Nothing else. It's a short video, huh? So there's my roll, guys. I hope you liked them. I especially like the one of my son throwing the rock, and I like the one with the canoe in the middle. I think that one came out really nice. All of them are super fun, and I highly recommend picking up a roll if you've never shot it before. I think you'll be really surprised on what you will get out of this film. So if you want a little bit more information on the project that I'm working on, it'll be in the description below. Again, thanks guys for coming back every time and leaving comments, and let me know if there's something you want me to shoot. I've been thinking about doing a whole roll of HP5 long exposure downtown in Chicago. But I'm gonna need to bring another shooter with me. I need someone that's gonna be able to film me doing that, to do it right. And I got someone in mind, so hopefully he will work out. All right, so that's it guys. I really appreciate it. Please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. I really think that you're gonna like it. I really think that if you're married and have a family, hint, 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 you're really gonna enjoy it too. So take care, see you in the next one.